Hi guys, I think it's already 12 noon. 12 noon here. I'm going to go to the field picking up some kangkong. Oh, Philip's raking there. I did not know that. I wanna cook kangkong, guys, for lunch. Fry it. A while ago, Lando is cutting here. Nice. So nice, Daile. So nice. Is the other rake you fix it?
What?
Did you fix the other rake? Did you fix the other rake?
Yeah.
That's the one damaged?
No, this is the newest one.
Wow, nice breeze. I wanna get some kangkong so I can cook for lunch.
Sure, just don't cook too much.
No, not.
I want to get that.
Oh yes, I'm here now, guys. Wow, very healthy kangkong. Wow. Super duper healthy kangkong. Yeah. Pajutuan. Okay. Dari tambah kalbo yan. Grabe. So today I won't give this one to the pig, but instead I'm going to cook. Yan, tambok kabuyag eh. Oh, yun man dari. No warmth, healthy. Look at guys. I'm going to cook this one. I want to add some ham, then garlic and onion. So I'm here now, guys. There's a puppy crying there. The one who cry, they are the one who... We have puppies living in the comfort room. 2 puppies. Then I just let them go out now. Here they are, the 2 puppies. Hi! What? Feel hot? Hmm? What? Where's your mom? Here, guys. Where's mama? Uy, nangurog man yung... Ay! Kisa may nagdawag-dawag, ane. Look at them, guys. This is their mama here. Hi, mama. Okay. You're good now. You're healthy, puppy. Hi, guys. Here is now the kangkong. So many, really. Plenty. And 2 bulb onion. Then garlic. Whole garlic, guys. So many. and a few ham. Slices ham. So now I started now the fire with the oil. So I'm going to put this one out. There. Yummy, guys. And the onion. Just get closer here so you can see what I'm cooking. There. Okay. So many. Then let's move the cup again. Okay. And I washed this one already. Still have water here. I soak with water. Oh, yeah. Now the ham. Smells good. Smells good. Philip like the kangkong, so that is why I pick up kangkong there. Okay, so you can see it. So this is my rice. A lot of rice. I'm going to set the rice on the table. Ouch. There you go. Wow, humot, humot. Humuta eh. Puppy wants to get inside you. Here, come on. The puppies. You just behave, buddy. And now I'm going to put the, look guys. Yum, yum. I'm going to add now the, ouch, sorry, kangkong. A lot of kangkong. Because this is the snack of Lando too, around 3 o'clock. So he can eat some. Naghanay. So many guys. Anyway, this one will shrink later. I think the fire is okay. Look guys, I need to cover this one. It will shrink later. I'm not worried about. There. I'll set that one for maybe 3 minutes. Then I'll be back later. Okay, let's check guys. Oh wow, yeah. Need to turn. Easily shrink really. So fast. There. Wow. Smells good. Now I'm going to add soy sauce. Or so there. And spice. And pepper. There. I'm going to mix this one. Just hold up. Wow, yummy. Smells good really guys. I'm telling you that. Wow. Yum yum. Take it closer. Wow. Yummy. Smells so good really guys. Very smells so good. Wow. Look guys. Lami. That's finished. So I need to turn off now the fire before it overcook. Okay. Yum yum. Okay, lami. Finish. Very easy, really, guys. Very, very easy. And I need to call Philip so he can eat too, because he's still there raking. So thank you guys for watching my cooking again. And this is really very, very simple and easy to cook, and very quick to cook, and it's fresh, leafy. So bye guys, thanks for watching my video, and I'll be back later. Thanks.